After suffering for many years, I found a cure for the blepharitis in my eyes. It was very irritating. I suffered for 10 to 15 years. And I'll get to the cure in just a moment. Quick backstory. What's blepharitis feel like? It's basically like if you took a bunch of sand and you ground it up into fine particles and you glued it to the inside of your eyelids. That's what it feels like. I tried those little eye masks that you put on your eyes that you've heated up in the microwave. I used different solutions. I've scrubbed my eyes with washcloths, with baby shampoo, with different soaps. I tried everything and nothing seemed to work. Again, I'm not a doctor. This is not medical advice. It's just food for thought. But there's a cause. That's what the cure is. And I'm going to tell you what the cause was. I used to eat a lot of carbs all the time. I'd eat them all day long. I was a snacking maniac. Chips, bread, or crackers, or cereal. Well, the problem with carbs is it raises your blood sugar and keeps it elevated all the time. And when your blood sugar is elevated, then your pancreas has to put out insulin, which is a hormone, to take the sugar that's in your blood and put it into your cells. That's what insulin's job is. But if you're constantly eating carbs, then you're constantly having your body in a state of high insulin, which is also known as hyperinsulinemia. It can lead to many bad illnesses, but one of them is blepharitis. How is that? Well, because the blood vessels around the eye are these tiny blood vessels, and high insulin damages those tiny blood vessels. I actually started a new diet. I researched it and I call it the stress-free diet, and more information at stressfreediet.com. But basically, I cut out all my highly glycemic carbs. Highly glycemic means most breads, crackers, waffles, pancakes, biscuits, anything with a lot of sugar in it. I even have a glycemic chart that shows you which foods raise your blood sugar more than others. And then also I do intermittent fasting, which means I don't snack anymore. Okay, because every time you eat, you could raise your blood sugar, which adds more insulin. And guess what? Blepharitis is gone.